Magandang araw sa ating lahat. Welcome back dito sa ating channel. Z here. I'm back with another video to share with you all. Pero bago tayo magsimula on our topic for today, I will really appreciate if you will now like this video and don't forget to subscribe dito sa ating channel para palagi kang updated sa mga bago nating videos. Alright, so andito tayo sa aking Binance account mga ka-Zkers. So to those who don't have a Binance account yet, feel free to check the link on the description below. So if you will use that link, you will get up to 40% discount on all of your tradings. So and in this video mga ka-Zkers, I will teach you on how to use the Binance Launchpad or Launch Pool and the benefits on using this Launchpad sa Binance mga ka-Zkers. Alright, so if you want to participate on this platform, just a heads up, you should have a BNB or Binance Coin or BUSD on your Binance account, or kung wala pa, you can deposit as well mga ka-Zkers. Alright, so click natin tong Launchpad as you can see on your screen dito sa home ng Binance application. So isa din to sa pinaka-safe na way to earn other new tokens that will be listed on Binance mga ka-Zkers. So right now, as you can see, there are a total of 41 projects launched already dito sa kanilang Binance Launchpad mga ka-Zkers. And also, ang active dito ngayon na launch pool is si Alice or My Neighbor Alice token mga ka-Zkers. So a social simulation blockchain game owned by players. So total rewards of 3 million and farming period is 30 days. So currently, 26 days, 5 hours and 55 minutes na lang time until farming ends. So you can stake CHR pool or BUSD or BNB or Binance Coin mga ka-Zkers. So dito ang in-stake ko is si BNB. I stake a total of 3 BNB mga ka-Zkers. So nag-earn ako ng Alice token. So meron akong pending harvest. So everyday mga ka-Zkers, pwede mo siyang i-harvest. And in each token na stake mo dito sa kanilang Launchpad mga ka-Zkers is meron din siyang percentage or APY. And if you want to try this mga ka-Zkers, it's so easy lang. So for example, if you want to stake BUSD, so click lang natin to mga ka-Zkers, no? yung stake now. And then mara tayo on the next page which is dito. And makikita natin dito yung more information on staking BUSD mga ka-Zkers. So total BUSD pool rewards is 600,000 Alice. And then a total BUSD staked is 522 million mga ka-Zkers. At kung wala naman kayong BUSD mga ka-Zkers, you can also use BNB. Kung meron kayong BNB or Binance Coin, still you will click on stake now and meron tayo dito. At meron akong unclaimed rewards na 0.0199 Alice. So makita nyo din dito, total BNB pool rewards is mas malaki compared kay BUSD, which is 2.1 million Alice ang paghati-hatian sa mga nag-stake dito ng BNB mga ka-Zkers. And makita din natin dito rewards pool on Alice, 210,000 Alice token per day ang paghahati-hatian sa mga nag-stake ng BNB. And a total of 13,141,000 BNB ang nakastake mga ka-Zkers. So dito makikita nyo nakastake ako ng 3 BNB. So if you want to stake, napakasimple lang. Click lang natin tong stake and dito makikita natin kung magkano yung balance na or BNB na stake nyo is ilalagay nyo lang dito sa spot balance. So for example 2. So i-click lang natin itong stake and ayun, okay na siya. But take note mga ka-Zkers, your BNB will be deducted from your spot account and locked into your launch pool account within your savings wallet. So ay papakita ko din sa inyo later mga ka-Zkers kung saan natin matatagpuan yung in-stake nyo na BNB dito sa inyong Binance account. And next mga ka-Zkers is paano naman mag-harvest ng Alice token. So napaka-simple lang mga ka-Zkers. So makikita nyo dito yung pending harvest. So click lang natin yan. So yan, click natin yan. And then click natin tong harvest all mga ka-Zkers. So meron akong 0.0199 Alice. So ayun, click natin yung harvest all. And as you can see, rewards have been transferred to your spot wallet. So click natin tong got it. At mag-aantay ulit tayo ng 58 minutes mga ka-Zkers para makapag-harvest ulit ng Alice token. So ngayon is i-check naman natin mga ka-Zkers kung saan na yung BNB na in-stake natin sa Launchpad. So makikita nyo yung 3 BNB. So i-check natin yan dito. So punta tayo dito sa ating wallet mga ka-Zkers. So click natin tong wallet dito sa baba. And then, dito, i-click natin tong overview dun sa gilid, pinaka-gilid. So, ngayon, makikita natin overview yan, no? So, dito sa baba, pinaka-baba mga ka-Zkers, scroll down lang natin. So, dito natin makikita sa earn section, dito sa baba, yung in-stake natin na BNB mga ka-Zkers. So, click natin dito mga ka-Zkers sa earn. Ayun, balik tayo sa, nasa margin tayo, so balik tayo sa earn. Yun, sana yun. Ayun, alright. So, ayun, makikita natin dito sa baba. So, all holdings, BNB launch pool. So, amount of 3 BNB and project name is Alice. So, ayun siya mga ka-Zkers. At yung hinarvest din natin kanina na Alice token is makikita din natin yan dito sa spot account. And, hanapin natin. So, ayun, dito mga ka-Zkers. So, meron akong total of 0.11182941 total na na-harvest dun sa launchpad mga ka-Zkers na in-stake ko na BNB. So yeah, this is another safest way to earn other tokens on your Binance account mga ka-Zkers, and anytime you can unstake your BNB. And I hope this video helps you in using Binance application mga ka-Zkers, especially on their launchpad, and of course to maximize your profit as well. And don't forget to use our link below for you to get up to 40% discount on all of your tradings. Alright, and that's all for this video mga ka-Zkers. Thank you so much for watching. See you on our next vlog. Stay safe. Daghang salamat. Bye for now.